Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be working on a Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Please take a second, if you would, click on the like, subscribe, and if you have time, drop me a comment below if this helped you out. 2021, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. What you need to do is open up your glove box. To remove the glove box, you squeeze in just a little bit on the sides, pull it straight back towards you. Glove box comes off. So once you have the glove box off, look down in here. Your cabin air filter is right behind this little box here. It says airflow this way. Push the little tab on the side, pull towards you. On the other side, it's a little bit harder to get to. Push the tab, pull towards you. You'll notice it says airflow pointing down. Reach in, pull this thing straight back at you and out. Nothing sponsored here, but I'm putting in a premium guard Pureflow cabin air filter. New one goes in, as you can see, airflow pointing downward, which is the way we pulled the old one out. Push it all the way back in. If it doesn't go all the way back in, take our new one, airflow pointing downward, slide it into place. Take our cover, airflow going downward. Cover pops back on. So to replace the glove box, I've got my fingers underneath these tabs. So the tabs are going to catch on these little bars right here. I'm just lining my glove box up. Pull string makes it a little more difficult to do. In the full open position, I've got my tabs lined up. I'm going to push straight down. And that's all there is to it. That should take you 5 minutes at the most.